we can pick this up. I'm using an endoscope and looking underneath the intake manifold, and check out the smoke coming from under this, from behind this, where this hose, vacuum hose is connected on the bottom of the intake manifold. I'm currently smoking it with my smoke machine. You have this rubber hose, rubber glove. You have the, rubber glove attached to the math. Everything else is supposed to be sealed. So here it is. It's plugged into the battery, to a battery, 12 volt. Heats up some mineral oil inside that can, and there's an air supply connected to it as well with a pressure regulator, and generates smoke. I do have a hole in my glove, as it appears. It just developed recently, but that's not stopping the obvious that I'm picking up on the endoscope here. You can see the white smoke. So intake manifold has to come off.